And tonight we are learning more information about the breakthrough cases in Michigan.
And we're getting a closer look at the rapid spread of the Delta variant. Fox 2's Hillary Golson here now live with more on what we need to know. Hillary.
Well, Hugh and Taryn, Michigan is now considered to be in a high level of community transmission. Case rates, hospitalizations, and deaths are now on the rise. The Delta variant is also now the dominant strain in the U.S. and in Michigan. And the health department in our state has been looking ahead to what this could mean. Apparently, models show things could get worse over the next 4 to 6 weeks.
The Delta variant has proven to be much more infective than the other variants that we have dealt with before. And it has spread fast around the globe and now around the nation.
In Michigan, the Delta variant is now the dominant strain. Variants of concern are being seen in 81 counties in the state. And in 58 counties, at least one person has the Delta variant.
It's making up 99% of the samples that we had available for sequencing in the last 4 weeks.
More than half of the counties in Michigan are at high transmission, and many others are at substantial transmission. Outbreaks are also on the rise. There have been 86 new outbreaks identified in the last week, and the state is investigating the possibility of many more.
Where we are seeing state after state having record numbers of infected people. And it has mostly affected people who are unvaccinated, despite the fact that we are seeing breakthrough infections.
In Michigan, since January 1st, there have been more than 12,000 so-called breakthrough cases. But that's less than 1% of people who are fully vaccinated.
Out of the breakthrough cases of people who wind up in the hospital, at least half of them are people who have weakened immune systems. We are not seeing healthy people who receive the vaccine hospitalized, which again shows you how effective these vaccines are.
Health officials have found immunity after being vaccinated does decrease over time, but on the whole, the vaccines are still very effective. And here's some good news. The number of people getting vaccinated has gone up. More than 4.9 million people are fully vaccinated in the state. 82% of older adults have completed vaccination. Booster shots have now been approved, as you heard, for people who are moderate to severely immune compromised. This only applies to people who've gotten their Pfizer or Moderna vaccines. The J&J shot, as you know, is still being reviewed for boosters. And as you also heard at the top of the newscast, sometime in September, boosters should be available to everyone 18 years and older. But you must wait 8 months after you've gotten your second dose, Huel.
90 outbreaks in just the last week. Does the state health department know what's behind it?
Yeah, well, it is something, of course, that they're investigating as we speak. We understand that there are about 183 investigations in outbreaks going on right now. And they say that the same thing we've been talking about since the beginning of the pandemic, these social gatherings that are large can also produce large outbreaks. So they're asking that people be wary of that. They've also seen some outbreaks tied to youth organizations, youth events, and childcare. So they are sounding the alarm in that arena as well in terms of children and the transmission of this new highly contagious Delta variant. Huel?
Now is not the time to let our guard down. Hillary, thank you.